Hi, I am Dr. Anand Bhardwaj, the world's highest qualified Vastu consultant with over 39 years experience in scientific, technical and authentic Vastu Shastra. I welcome to all the viewers to the new professional and complete series on scientific Vastu program. Friends, as I told you that if you need to ponder upon any Vastu factor, just type the Vastu factor with my name and click on search. And instantly you will get the real, accurate, scientific and authentic knowledge on the topic in a very short time. I have been to many countries worldwide for giving my expert advice on commercial and residential Vastu. It is very easy for any Vastu consultant to advise on making building any correction with demolition. It's very easy in a plot or in a building as per Vastu bylaws. But what about the already built up houses and commercial complexes? Most of the Vastu consultants advise demolition, but I never advise Vastu with demolition. I advise in such a way that there is no demolition required at any site. So today I will take another topic, that is path. This is the way or path. It's located in the eastern side of the plot. First, you have seen the plot. This plot is a vacant plot, and we are making the way or path, and this path has to be in the eastern side. By making the path in eastern side, we shall be able to make the building very easily in west and in south, because if the house is so located that it is located in the southwest corner or west corner or south corner, then the path is meant to be in east only. It can be in east, it can be in north. By making the passage or path in east and north, we shall be able to make the building, the entire site 100% as per Vastu. But on the contrary, if the road or the path goes on south or west side, then we are compelled to make the building in eastern side or northern side, which shall be anti-Vastu. So always decide your house in such a way that your path or your way is located in east or north direction of the plot. My aim is to remove curtain from baseless myths. Normally you must have seen Vastu consultants using only directional compasses. But I can only show the instruments, the tools, the sensors and other things which are very much technical, very much authentic in the similar show in next program. And you have to stay with me, you have to move with me, and one by one I will show you all the instruments I am carrying with me. I will show all the instruments to you, and I will show you how these instruments check the Vastu vibrations. For example, if there is any negative vibration in the passage or in the path which I am showing you, then my instrument is capable to show the positivity or negativity very easily. This is the authenticity. Just have patience and keep on moving with me. Thanks and take care. See you in the next program. Thank you.